Hi, Steve here. Well, we had some damage from this storm last night. This hurricane came in and wiped out all the power in Paradise Park. Um, it took me like 3 attempts to get down to the coast because there are so many trees that landed on power lines. And right behind me here is our power pole on the ground. And these trees, I was worried about them, but it wasn't our property. And it's this neighbor's property, and they took out part of the wall. There's no roots. They're just over lava rock. They're like 100 feet tall, and it was bound to happen, but we did the best we could before this storm. Then now look what happened. The whole front wall. I guess we had waves. Waves came all the way up to the house. This structure's fine. The house has some little bit of roof damage on the roofing, but the structure's okay. All this lava rock wall was busted out. And the internet system is broken too, so nobody has internet. All these rocks weren't here a week ago or a couple days ago, so this was all done last night. Waves have gotten much smaller, of course. Boy, I wasn't here. I thought my roof in my house was going to blow off. It came down hard with heavy winds. And next door, about more than half the trees, about half, came down. And you look here, the swimming pool is full of mud now. So all of this fill is now at the bottom of the pool. On the main house, the attic access cap blew off with some roofing pieces. A little bit of water came inside the house, but nothing too bad. The house actually made it through this hurricane. But I couldn't get my truck here. I had to park down the street both ways. It would have been pretty scary to be here last night. All these trees are gone. Insulation. A lot of the neighbors' houses, part of their roofs blew off. All these trees blew over that were here before. Yeah, house is looking okay. I just have to go up there and close that cap and go on the roof and assess any more damage. I might have to fix a few shingles, and it was a pretty hard hit, as you could see. First thing we got to do is get a power pole in and get the power going again. Over and out, reporting live from the Big Island. We got hit. Aloha.